Hello, I'm Julie Stobie from Deemsville, Ontario, and my business is Mind Over Clutter. I am deeply honored to be the 2024 Harold Taylor Award recipient from Professional Organizers in Canada, recognizing outstanding contributions to the professional organizing industry. Since 2006, I've had the privilege of volunteering to promote education, share knowledge, and foster communications across Canada and beyond. Receiving this award is incredibly meaningful, and I'm truly grateful for the recognition. My heartfelt thanks go out to professional organizers in Canada and the many colleagues who have shared their knowledge and their expertise and supported me throughout the years. Thank you for making this journey truly rewarding.